This is Hello YouTube, this is Lol Fifa with my pack opening. I just thought I'd waste some of my coins seeing it's coming to the end of FIFA. So we're just going to open about 3 gold packs. So let's go off in the first one. We get done. Just send him to trade pile. I'm just going to actually just store these in club and go back to the store. Now, because we're on my back, I'm going to try a little glitch. Apparently if you hold triangle, TFG in a triangle, you get better players. Let's see if it works. It said it works 70% of the time. I think they're right. I didn't get anyone decent back. We just store all that in club. Go back to the store. Buy a 5k pack now. Got some coins there. Store all that in club. And then just put these up, click auction for 300 coins. I'm gonna just go and buy a bronze, a silver pack, because there's quite good silvers. No one decent, just all in club. Just gonna put all these up now. All these up for 250 coins because contracts are at a maximum, because no one's opening packs because there's no decent team of the weeks, so everyone's buying contracts, so that means there's more demand for them, so that means they're going up. I'm just going to quick sell this. Might as well do another 2,500 silver. Store all of that in club. Just put all this up now. Use the arm healing. Some trade pile. Then we'll open one 750 coin pack. Just to waste 22 grand. 22 grand gone in about 2 minutes. Oh, 85 pace. Left winger. Might have a look at him, just store him in club. Get rid of this healing rubbish. Savage. He was on road to bestiality KSI, so just send him to trade pile. Quick. Oh, that's quite a nice kit. Might as well waste more coins. Oh yay, a 46 rated player. Didn't know I could get any more luck. Another healing rubbish. Whether they are all healing. No, quick sell the rest. Thanks for watching, that's been Lol FIFA. Wasting 22k on packs. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I've got a giveaway up.